Listo.
Okay. The tour was great. The guides, Edwin and George, they were very nice. They took care of us. They were very funny. The food was really perfect. Every day we got something different. It was very nice. And the cooks would wake us up with cocoa tea every morning. It was an awesome trek. It was great.
¿Tú puedes recomendar a otros turistas?
Yeah, I would definitely recommend to go with this company because it was great. Everything.
Bueno, trek de Salcantay. Es muy bueno el trekking de Salcantay.
The Salcantay trek is very nice. It's not that difficult. That's what they say. It's very nice. You see different kinds of landscapes. First you have the mountains and then afterwards you go into the jungle. And the hot springs on the third day are very relaxing as well. So it was great.
Okay, ¿recomendar tú a la agencia Enjoy Peru Holiday?
Yes.
¿Buena organización? ¿Buen organization?
Yes, a very good organization.
Okay. Okay, amiga. Thank you very much for trek.
You're welcome.